So friends, where I have left, I will start from there only. We have reached here up to the thumb, that means fingers analysis. Firstly we will complete finger analysis, then we will come to the mount, and then we will come to the three major lines, that means lifeline, mind line and heart line. Friends, see here, you will be able to see how much longer thumb hair is. And this type of people who has this type of finger, they are very convincing to the people. They can convince easily to the people. They can convince their clients, they can convince their employees also, whosoever are under her, she will be able to convince. And she has, it also shows that she has dominating nature, and it is good for her, because if you will not dominate, how will you proceed in a business? How will you be able to gain? How will you be able to exhaust the um, working of the employee? That means this shows very good entrepreneurship. This shows the nature of the good entrepreneurship. And here also she has eye shaped formation, and here in India we used to call it as Buddha's eye. And that is why these people will never be suffering for any kind of gain or money or monetary benefits. Whensoever she will we wanting to gain or to get the monetary benefits, she will, if she will try, then definitely she will get. That means whensoever these people work for the monetary benefits, these people easily get. And slowly see these people arise in her areas, in their areas. And let us come to the other fingers, that means Jupiter finger and then Saturn. This is Apollo finger and this is little finger. See, Apollo finger is longer than her Jupiter finger. It shows she has the risky nature. She may not think of going into a jungle or paragliding. She may not be thinking. Even she is a female, but she may not think because of her risky nature. Even she will have in her pocket $5,000, then she will be able to get the risk. She will be able to take the risk of $10,000, $20,000. This type of nature shows about her. And see, her Saturn finger is tilting towards her Apollo finger. It shows that sometimes she may not be able to extract her work for the benefits of her monetary gain. It shows that means some at a point of time she may not be able to get her full-fledged gain, what she what she was thinking to get, but she is unable to get in return. That means it shows that the amount of work invested for her is lesser than the amount of the gain for her, it shows. And then let us come to the little finger. Little finger shows, and her amount of Jupiter also is good, and this thumb is also in very good condition. That means is in very good length. It also, this all combination shows, that means this little finger, Jupiter mount, and this thumb shows that she has very good quality of convincing the people. She has very good dominating nature to convince the people how to get work from other people. She has extracurricular activities, so that she will be able to remember each and every points. I think she will be her mind is also that means memory power is also in very good condition for her, and it is also very good to progress in an entrepreneurship or in a business if you are self-employed. And one more thing, friends, I would like to confirm, I would like to say to all of you, see, her base phalanges are somehow very thin. That means at a point of time, if she is not able to do physical work, but mentally she can do very much, because her mind line is very long. That means she has very much patience. This shows, and because of this thinnest area, she will not be able to physical work extra, but mental work she will be able to do, because her palm is in a squarish in shape. That is why she will, what she will do, mentally she can do, while sitting she can do each and everything. But if you will say to her to perform any physical activities, she might not be able to do. That is my point. And next we will come to the mount, area of mount. We will go to the close up for this. One more thing, dear friends, that I have taken her right thumb, not left hand thumb, sorry, right hand, not left hand, because generally people used to take left palm for female, but I take right palm for the purpose of analysis. If she is implied, if she is running her own business, if in any way she is she is having any source of income, that means her right palm is active. That is why we used to take generally right palm for the purpose of analysis. Now let us come to the area of mount. See, firstly we will cover Jupiter Mount. Jupiter Mount has very huge areas with respect to this palm. See, palm is very, with respect to in the area of the palm, this Jupiter Mount is very big. That means she may be having, at a point of time, people may call her egoistic nature, people may call her choosy in fooding, people may call her that means people may call her very dominating nature at a point of time. This these are the symbols of, these are the characteristics of Jupiter Mount, if it has so much area, so much big areas. And let us come to the Saturn Mount. Saturn Mount is in good condition. Overall Saturn Mount is good. We are not able to see. Yes, one floating line is there. That means she may not be having any transaction problem. She must be having that means floating currency in her hand, in her palm. Now let us come to the Sun Mount and Mercury Mount. For this I will jump to the and I will go to the another close-ups. See here, this is the Sun Mount, and here friends, one thing I will be able to see here, that one star is there, and it is and this star has very much liveliness, and I think she would have gained if recently this would have formed. Then she would be able to see that so much progress in her career. She would have gained so much knowledge, and she would have extra that means more than boundary transaction. That means across globe she might be gaining from the globe. She might have a business that may be going, that may be benefiting to the people of another country as well. That is foreign based trading she must be having like that. And even a fish like formation is also in shape, but it is also because this line is very fat and this line is also in very fat, but this line is very thin. That means that is why I am not considering as it is a fish sign. If a fish sign it is fully developed, then she will be able to gain a lot of in her business. That means she must be a multi-billionaire. I think right now she must be also a multi-billionaire person. And see one more thing, dhwaj. Dhwaj is a Hindi word. That means I do not know what is the English word of a dhwaj. That means over a temple a dhwaj is being there, and this is very auspicious symbol as per the Hindu mythology, and that wheresoever she will go, wheresoever she will work, she will get achievements, she will get awards, and she will that means she will be very forwarding, I can say, in her business. She can gain a lot of in her business. If I can see in her palm so many symbols, these three symbols here confirmed that she will be have very progressing nature. And even in fate line we have also seen that she has so many fate lines, but they are not continuing for a longer period. Yet she will be able to gain multiple source of income, and she will be able to get multiple source of income, and from there she can extract monetary benefits. And here come on to the Mercury Mount. Mercury Mount is also in very good condition. Here you can see here 3 or 4 lines are there. That means she will be soothing in nature for the people. She also try to make people understand if they are in difficulty. These are very good sign for her. That means she is very good at heart, I can say. Even if you will see her marriage line, but in her marriage line she has difficulty here. See, this is fork formation, this is called fork in formation. That is why she might have problematic married life. And I think this is the age right now 32 or running 33. That means in the range of 31 to 33 she might have married. If not married, then recently she must be married. She may be married in coming months, I can see. But her marriage will not go as a promised. See, as a promised, I have to tell the clients each and every minute things, where I need to focus on the gray areas of them, so that they will be able to work there. That is why I show the gray areas of the palm also. And this is the gray area where she needs to work. She might have very difficulties in maintaining her marriage, good marriage life. And friends, here you can also be able to see her heart line. Heart line is also not in good condition. So many drop lines are going towards below the heart line. It shows that she has emotional setbacks, regular emotional setbacks she might be having from family or from friends or from her spouse if she is married. And you can see able to, you may be able to see here also a F formation. It also this also create a problematic married life, and she might be cheating. She might get cheating from the people who works for them. She works for them. She might get cheating instead from getting help from friends. She might get cheating, and it can be seen clearly here. And friends, let us come to her mind line. Mind line clearly starts from Jupiter Mount. It shows she has very ambitious mind, and then that means after the age of 32 or 33 she has a type of pressure on her mind. That means since 1 year or 2 years she might be feeling that she has some pressures. and these both the lines are not interconnected. That means I can say she is very very ambitious, and throughout in her life she will be very ambitious. She will always want progress in her life. And now let us consider for her lifeline, so that in this picture I will be able to show you her lifeline clearly. That is why I have taken this picture. Here lifeline start from in this way and goes in this way. Yes, she has the responsibility, I think, for family. She might be having taking care of her family, and she may be elder. I think she may be, if not may be elder, if she may not be elder, then she must be taking care of her family's responsibility very well. And from here you can be able to see that one offshoot has gone to the Jupiter Mount. Again it shows progress in career, and it is showing that if I'm 1 minute. Yes, 22 or 23, she would have started thinking that I might do anything extra for her livelihood, for her source of income. And in this age she would have also gained. I think the line is not very clear here, but I think this start from here. If this line is starting from here, then I can clearly say that right from 23 she would have started her business. And there are so many cuts in her lifeline. It shows that she might be struggling in her life. Health wise she might not be very good, and emotional wise she might also not be good. This and there are so much, that means so much anxiety she might be feeling in this age. That means after the age of 30 she might be feeling so much. Sometimes she may feel anxiety, sometimes may feel mental pressure on her mind, sometimes she may be feeling health issues. So she should work on her health as well. And again I'm able to see her offshoot. So many offshoot is going towards upward. In that means she has good ahead in her career. And afterwards I will show here one line is going towards her moon mount. Moon mount I have not covered here. Moon mount, friends, moon mount is also very good in condition. See, this type of moon mount gives the intuition to the native, and this type of Jupiter mount also helps to do the intuition in a spirituality as well. And she might be progressing. She will be able to progress very far from her birthplace. And uh, if she is thinking to get the citizenship of another country, she might think over it, and she will get the citizenship of other country as well. And if she is involved in traveling type of business in which traveling is involved, then she can gain very very hugely in her career. So these are the, and here also you can be able to see here triangle formation is there. That means in after 50 years of age she will be very good entrepreneurship, and after 50 years of her age she will also be able to freeze. She will also be able to gain all her wishes, I think. And more wishes will be clear also, will be fulfilled before after 40 years of age also. That means these people are very aggressive towards her career. She used to think always progress in career. This career wise analysis I have done here, and some gray areas I have also focused there, friends. And how you see, and my English is not very much good, but I have tried my best How do you see this? Please, if you do see that anything in any way it is beneficial to you, please give a like button. And if you also want to get the analysis, please do message on my Facebook page, and I will give the link in the comment section as well. Thank you for watching. I will come with another palm predictions in coming days also. Till then, bye bye, good day, thank you.